Assalamualaikum! Welcome to Nur Maki's kitchen. In this channel, I will introduce Japanese food recipes using halal ingredients. Today, I will introduce how to make Takoyaki. Takoyaki is a ball-shaped Japanese snack made of flour-based batter with egg and dashi stock and cooked in a special molded pan. It's typically filled with octopus, tenkasu, pickled ginger, and green onion. Osaka is the origin of takoyaki. It's the soul food of Osaka. Since I was born and grew up in Osaka, my takoyaki recipe is exactly Osaka style. It's very crispy on the outside and melty on the inside. You should definitely try it. These are the ingredients. First of all, cut the most important ingredient, octopus. Don't be stingy with octopus. Let's cut generously. Big octopus definitely make takoyaki better. Chop green onion finely. Chop pickled ginger finely. You can also add other ingredients of your choice such as cheese, squid, shrimp, kimchi, and so on. It's the best if you have takoyaki sauce, but if you don't have it, the sauce can be homemade, or you can substitute Yakisoba sauce or Okonomiyaki sauce. Let's make batter. Place 200 grams of flour in the large bowl. Use a total of 700 cc of water, but add gradually, as it will be lumpy if you add all of it at once. Mix until all the lumps are gone. Then crack 2 eggs and add 2 teaspoons of dashi powder and 1 teaspoon of halal soy sauce. And mix well. Then add the rest of water. You might think it's watery, but it will be okay. This batter makes your takoyaki melty. Heat the takoyaki pan over medium-high heat. Pour plenty of oil and heat it well. I've been using this pan for a long time. I have an electric takoyaki cooker, but I definitely recommend using a takoyaki griddle over a fire. Pour a little butter to check if the pan is hot enough. Then pour in a generous amount of butter. It's okay if it overflows out of the holes. We need to use enough butter to make sure takoyaki will become round. Once you've poured the butter, place octopus quickly as butter will harden. Add the pickled ginger evenly. Add the green onion. Add tenkasu generously. The more tenkasu, the better it will taste. Use a takoyaki stick to divide the overflow batter. Once the batter hardens a bit, start turning the takoyaki around. In my case, the center of griddle is usually less hot than side of the griddle, so I turn takoyaki from the side. Push the overflow batter into takoyaki hole to make takoyaki round. Because my griddle is uneven heat, exchange takoyaki from side to center to make sure all takoyaki cook evenly. Once takoyaki is cooked evenly and the takoyaki skin is crispy, takoyaki is ready to serve. Put enough sauce on takoyaki and mayonnaise. Sprinkle seafood flakes and bonito flakes. Finished! My takoyaki is very crispy on the outside and melty on the inside. Let's eat takoyaki while it's still hot. It's really delicious! If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon!